The modular aspect of the DJI Action 2 makes for a great feature, providing the ability to quickly snap between different mounts with ease without having to faff about with thumb screws. Yet, popular camera accessory manufacturer Ulanzi have added even more flexibility with this small yet very versatile Action 2 power supply base. Ulanzi have introduced a range of accessories for the DJI Action 2's magnetic mounting system, and this small and relatively cheap unit seems like a super handy add-on for the main camera thanks to its various solutions, making it seriously versatile in how it's used. Constructed of aluminum alloy, which not only makes it super strong and robust, as well as rust-proof, it's still very light, adding very little weight to your camera setup. With its sleek black finish and white Ulanzi branding on the front, we have the two spring-loaded latches on either side, just like the original DJI accessories, used to ensure the mount stays securely in position during even the harshest shooting conditions. Although it can be used just like the standard DJI magnetic mounts and attaches just as firm, it's primarily designed to be used with just a single camera module. The magnetic attachment is nice and strong too, again just like original DJI mounts, so no concerns there whatsoever. Once connected, it stays put. So with the unit connected, we have two mounting options available. A 1/4" 20 thread in the middle for quickly and easily attaching to tripods, or any other mounts with a standard bolt, such as this Ulanzi super clamp, which I find incredibly useful by the way. Although if you're heavily invested in the GoPro mounting ecosystem, flip down the two fingers and you're ready to attach to your GoPro gear too. This is a really useful design. I wish GoPro would take note. So the Ulanzi magnetic base is strong yet versatile when mounting, but also takes it a step further by adding charging capability too. On the top we find two small pins which match up perfectly with the charging pins on the camera module itself, and around the back a single USB-C charging port. Ordinarily, the camera module can only be charged by attaching to either the power or the display module, which then feed through and charge the main camera module. Although this mount now provides the ability to not only charge the camera module alone, but also keep external power attached while shooting, meaning running out of power is no longer an issue when using the camera module alone. Saying that, the internal storage is still a limiting factor depending upon your shooting settings, but nevertheless it's a very handy addition and works really well. Bear in mind, with external power connected, you wouldn't want to get the camera wet of course, and it passes power only, not data, so it can't be used to transfer captured footage to a computer, but otherwise the Ulanzi Action 2 power supply base is a seriously useful mount. In typical Ulanzi fashion, it's robust, looks the part, adds almost no extra weight, yet increases versatility with its dual mounting options and chargeability features. There's really no reason why any DJI Action 2 owner wouldn't want this accompanying their action camera gear.